The information I'd like to present to you is Glogster. Glogster is a website in which students and teachers can create multimedia interactive posters. Here's an example of a Glogster on the right there, so just keep that in mind as I'm trying to explain a little more about it to you. So this is a website platform. You just get on the Glogster website, and right there, you can just start working and manipulating this resource. It creates multimedia interactive posters. Media can include pictures, video, audio, text, graphics, basically anything a student can upload to the internet they can put on their blog. Another wonderful part about Glogster is there's templates too, so you always end up with a very finished product. If you look at the product on the right there, that was a product done by a second grader in which the second grader talks about the 5 senses. It has a little bit of everything, of some graphics, some videos, some text, some pictures. So it really is simple to use and creates such a beautiful product at the end. Glogster walks you through step-by-step how to create a glog, how to upload the pictures, how to pick a template, things like that. So this is a very, very user-friendly platform. When looking at Glogster in the AASD vision, the vision is to have technology in every student's hands at a 1-to-1 ratio. So because we're moving so far towards that, we really need to be making the most of the technology that we do have. And to do that, we need to have students interacting with up-and-coming presenting tools in which they're able to collaborate and problem solve and be creative. And Glogster is definitely one of these things. When looking at where we can implement Glogster as far as grades are concerned, really all ages can use Glogster because it is so step-by-step. You get on, you pick your template, everything is just, it walks you through so easily. Additionally, there's video tutorials that you can pause and go to your own blog and make changes. There's teacher support materials that you can use, and really, the best part is all you need is a laptop or a tablet or mobile device to run Glogster, and it all saves within the website. I would definitely say that within Altoona Area School District, every student gets to use one of these pieces of technology at some point in the day. So creating a glog, creating this authentic product is a great use of that time. Another really important aspect of Glogster is all the technical support. There's a support center that includes contact through phone, email, and chat. There's a frequently asked questions section with just about every question you can think of. There's all sorts of guides to pretty much produce anything that you see on any other blog. You can just walk through it on a guide that has tons of explanation and screenshots. And then, like I said before, those how-to videos are really helpful as well. So Glogster does come with a free 7-day trial, but after that, all your materials are erased until you buy a license. So it might just be helpful to start from the beginning with that. To get an elementary license, that's 30 licenses, and that's $35.10 a year. A secondary license is 125 licenses, and that's $85 a year. Or to buy a license for a whole faculty, $351 a year, and you get 10 teacher licenses and 250 student licenses. That's a broad range within a school, if not the whole entire school. So when looking at Glogster in the classroom, there's so many ways to use it, and that's really why it's so important. The first thing that comes to mind and what Glogster really promotes is digital storytelling. So think of all of those language arts standards that we're striving for our students to really engage with and apply. This all happens on a glog. Students are picking out main idea and details, getting information from multiple sources, synthesizing information, summarizing, comparing, and contrasting. All of that's happening all while all of those technology standards are being met as well. Students also can easily share their digital stories with others because it is so engaging to watch somebody else's presentation in such a non-traditional product form. Project presentations, obviously, it'd be great for that. Give a student a topic and let the student add a little bit of every piece of media about that topic. Field trip reports, experiment summaries, and like I said, there's math, science, social studies, and there is ELA templates too. So if you're working on a particular concept, you can get on, look for a template, and by having students really engage with that template, you're checking their understanding. I did create a screencast to show teachers how to interact with some basic Glogster principles, just the basics, and I hope that it really inspires teachers to see how easy and engaging this website is, and I hope it inspires teachers to start using it in their classroom as well.